Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss concept of aggregate supply. What is the meaning of aggregate supply in macroeconomics? It means it is a flow of goods and services as planned by the producer and accounting year. It is identical flow of income. In accounting year that is known as aggregate supply. I am going to explain you one by one contains flow of goods and services. First of all, what is the meaning of AS? It means it is a flow of goods and services. Flow, it means it is supply of goods and services in the economy. That is known as aggregate supply. Next, that is planned by the producer. Plan, it means in that we are going to take what the producer want to produce, what the producer wish to produce, that is included. It means here we are going to take planned production, not actual production. It means want to produce or wish to produce. Wish to produce, not actual. We are not going to consider aggregate supply as an actual aggregate supply. We are going to take only planned aggregate supply. It means what a producer want to produce or wish to produce. All of you know whatever the producer want to produce or wish to produce, that he wants to sell in the market through supply. It means whatever he is going to plan to produce, that will be supply in the economy. Through supply, he will be able to sell his product. Through sale, he will be able to generate his income, and income is denoted by Y. All of you know. So we can say supply is equal to income. Every producer, because that is only plan, not actual. So all the producer, whatever they are going to plan to produce, they want to sell that production into the economy and generate income. So because of this reason, we can say AS is equal to Y. It means the flow of goods and services is equal to flow of income. Both are identical. Flow of goods and services is equal to flow of income in the economy. That is known as aggregate supply. Now I am going to explain you through that with schedule and diagram. Make it sure here we are going to plan only. We are going to take only plan, not actual. Because actual situation can be different. But plan, whatever the producer is going to be planned, they are going to wish to sell into the market and they wish to generate the income. That's why we are saying income is equal to AS, or we can say AS is equal to income. It means AS and income is same. Now I am going to explain you this with a schedule. First we are going to take aggregate supply, what the producer want to produce, what the producer want to supply, and what the producer want to generate the income. And the second column I am going to take, that is Y. Now look at there, suppose there is zero plant production, the income will be zero only. This is the present situation, COVID pandemic, in that we had about to nil production. In that condition, AS was supply was zero and the income generation was also zero. Suppose the supply production is increasing 20, then income will be 20, because whatever he is going to produce, he wants to sell into the market. By selling, he is going to earn the income. If there is increase in production, then income will also increase. Same production he is going to sell into the market, and he is going to generate income till 40. Now suppose still there is increase in the production, income will also increase. As the production increase, producer want to generate his income should be increases. Suppose again the production increases till 100, then income also generate till 100. If the production increases at 120, then income will also generate at 120. At least they are going to generate income 120. Now, why the producer want to take plant only? Because we are assuming there are excessive capacity in the economy. I am explaining a very important point. Why the producer is going to take plant production only? Why? What is the reason behind it? Because we are assuming that there are excessive capacity in the economy. Here I told you in Indian economy, I told you the production is directly related with the employment. So we all of you know there are so much unemployment in our economy. If producer want to increase his production, then how he can increase the production? By increasing the employment. All of you know, by increasing the employment. So he is thinking if there is increase in the demand, he is going to increase the production very easily by increasing the employment. Because of this reason, he is only taking plant production, for production of goods and services, by which they are able to generate the income. So you can say as the supply increases, income will also increase in the economy. Now I am going to draw the diagram so you will be able to understand how they are identical, 0x and y. Here we are going to take 0x and 0y. At 0x axis we are always taking income, which is denoted by y. Here we are going to take aggregate supply. Clear? Now, that is the same proportion: 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Clear? Now here we are going to take same 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Clear? Now look at the 0. At 0, 0. 28 at 20, 20. 40, 40. 60, 60. 80, 80. 100, 100 and 120, 120. Clear? Now draw the straight line. You are going to find it, a straight line, that is aggregate supply, and that is equal to income also, because AS is equal to income. Now you can see it is a 45 degree line. You can see very easily it's a 45 degree line. It means AS and AY always we are drawing 45 degree line. What it is show? It is show that income is equal to aggregate supply, or aggregate supply is equal to income. That is identical, that are same, both of that. Whatever we are going to supply in the economy, that will be your income only. Clear? Now what is the line of reference? 45 line. Why the question arise? Why AS shows or Y shows at a 45 degree line? Because both are the identical. Because of this reason it shows 45 degree line. Clear? Thank you.